We have Dr. Feroz with us, and in recent FMG exam of December 2021, he scored a 173 and he passed. And I think this was his first or second attempt, but yes, he has made it possible this time. And Dr. Feroz Ahmed, I welcome you on the behalf of everyone, on the behalf of Team Arise.
Yes, sir.
How are you
Surely,
feeling?
I'm feeling happy, sir. I'm feeling, yeah, I'm so happy because,
Heartiest congratulations to you. Heartiest congratulations, man.
thanks, sir. Thanks.
Yeah, okay. So let's start with your basic introduction, please.
Yeah, sir. My name is Feroz Ahmed. I
Mhm.
did my course in Hebei Medical University, China.
Okay.
And my course was ended by the great year 2020. Like it not get ended. Like I came in break only, but after that COVID, everything got stuck there, and I did the last semester exam in the online. As soon as I finished that, I started preparing for the our great exam FMG, and this was my second attempt, sir. Like the
Okay.
thing was second attempt. The first attempt I got 144, and that thing was like very hard for me because like in my preparations before that was like poor only, sir. Like I'm not so studious and I'm not so great at like so before the preparations in the college also like was poor only. Like first attempt I have made around 144 because I made some mistakes, and
Mhm.
now I got 173. Yeah, so that's what.
Okay, so let's start with the mistakes which you have done, like in your first attempt. Okay, so can you explain what kind of mistakes you have done at that time?
Sir, actually, the advices given me at that point of time, like not like a raise, like really the I have prepared by a group of faculties only, but still, the advices given by me, like given to me, is like choosing preferable subjects. We can still can cross
Mhm.
the river, like we can still get the 150, like around that.
Yeah.
Choosing preferable subjects, like the subjects which are strong, you can go with that only. Like it's enough, like that they said to me. But still I'm it's a blunder which I made at that time. Really, I was just choosing around 10 to 12 subjects only. I was studying at that time, and I felt so horrible. Like at that time, like I got around 144, and that was a major mistake I did that time. And still I worked hard for that attempt also, but I couldn't make it.
Okay. So and after that, you joined Arise like in July, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah, July
Okay.
26th I joined, I guess.
Yes. So and after joining Arise, like at that time, what was your strategy?
Strategy is like simple, sir. Like I'm going to do whatever, like my maximum effort, whatever they're teaching, whatever they're doing, like I'm going to do that. Like I'm going to full, like study everything, whatever they're giving. That was my strategy. Like that, like not so keen and all. It is the way which I did, and it worked out. Like it worked at final. Like I got that.
So basically, you surrendered yourself to Arise Medical Academy, and after that, whatever faculty used to ask you, do this, and you used to do like that, right?
Yeah, fully. Like whatever they like teaching me, I'm grabbing everything, and I was like studying everything. That's what I did.
And every day for how many hours you used to study?
I never like compromise for that. Like
Right.
if I feel like see, sir, like the regular classes might start by 9 o'clock, and it going to end 6 or 7, like that. After that, I will go. I will have a break, and I will come back, and I will revise everything. But
Mhm.
if I feel till 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, if I wanted to study, and if I sleepy, if I tend to get sleepy, I will I won't think anything. I straight away go to the room and I will sleep. This is what, sir. Like one day I will be like fully motivated and everything till 12 o'clock. I will be studying 1 o'clock also. Like some days,
Okay, so like you were reading only the things which were taught at Arise, or you preferred some
yeah,
other books also?
no, nothing. Only arise like fully like whatever they are giving. That's what I trusted, and that's what happened. Also, I didn't go with any other thing, but in last attempt I have did some subjects which is like I was confident at the end. Like I said you right now, sir. Like I only prefer, like I only choose certain subjects for that exam. In that exam, like for example pathology, and this gynecology, obstetrics, and all. Like I was so confident in that. I did that last time. So when I'm doing an Arise in the second attempt, I was like doing that notes. I didn't skipped it too, because like my like the advice given to me was like, if you skip notes again, like if you're confident enough in that notes, you don't want to do this thing.
Okay.
So balance thing, you go by the Arise notes and everything.
Understood. That's cool.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Okay. See, like you were indulged into the group discussions.
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
I
So
was
who were
like,
the group mates here?
who was my group mates? Yeah, I have to mention everyone. Yeah, surely.
Okay.
And Asif, sir, Asif, he also like clear with me. He got 190. Asif, Muhammad Asif, and Anushaka. Anushaka, you did
Yeah, Dr.
last,
Anushka.
like that Anushaka, and she was my group. And Durai Raj, like certain people like close to me, and we always like we were like studying like fun only, sir. Like we used to like put the concepts in a funny manner, and that
Nice.
was like helping so good, sir. Like if I don't know anything, if I don't know something in that concept, he might say something in that,
Yes.
in a different way, so
Yep.
that it goes inside easily. In that way, it helped us a lot. And I feel group discussion is most important in this journey. Like every time I will be like in a group only, I won't study alone. If I'm being alone, I won't study at all.
Nice. Okay, that's also cool. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what.
What about solving questions? Like every day you used to practice questions, or after the completion of subject only you used to write the exam?
So last time I was like, I didn't solve questions so much. Like I didn't do much. And this time when I was thinking about this attempt, how to crack and everything, I was like planned to do each and every day questions, but still I didn't do that. I didn't, and the time isn't available for me. And with the proper time, I was just revising the notes. I was just grabbing the concepts from everything, and and in between, my plan was to be like perfect in the concepts, perfect in the understanding of the concepts. That is most important for me. I was like, I thought like that, and I planned like that. After that only, I was doing the questions. If I finish one subject, definitely I will go for questions. But in between, like I thought to be doing every day, but I didn't do that. After doing certain subjects, after finishing the concepts and everything, I go for the questions. I did in the apps and everything. It was helpful for me. The clinical type and all, like the questions how they're asking, I was like prepared for that. I did the questions, but not so frequently. Like at the end of the subjects, as well as at the last 5 days or 6 days, I was only doing questions, sir. I was not preparing any notes. Before itself, I revised everything. Still, if I didn't revise also, I was doing only questions at last 6 days. Arise Delight PDF
Visual
was
delight.
so
Visual
helpful,
delight.
sir. Yeah, Visual Delight also. And the questions which was like given in the last years, no, everything they
Yeah.
were taken,
Yes.
and they compiled everything and they have
Yes.
given. That PDF was so useful for us. Even in the last NEET PG question and answers,
Yes.
like they
Yes.
have included in that.
Yes. It was
Questions
given.
came from that also, sir.
Yes.
Really. Like I guess around 20 or 20, nearby 15, I guess. I
Nice.
don't know, I'm not sure, but the questions really came from that PDF. So it was helpful.
Okay, so now are you going to suggest any of your juniors that you have to prepare only 12 subjects or 13 subjects or 14 subjects, or you are going to recommend that you have to learn all 19 subjects? What?
Definitely, I won't recommend that and all. Definitely, you have to do all the 19 subjects, sir. Because in this question paper, I found one thing. Like they are like not preferring for like minor subject, major subject according to the weightage and all. They're not going. Like this paper was like ophthalmology, ENT also like so much, and gynecology, surgery was so down.
Yeah,
If the people preferably choosing the major subject, and if they are going with that plan, they might be like got down in the second paper.
yes.
So what I will suggest is like give your equally, you give the importance to every subjects, like all
Yes.
the 19 subjects give equal importance, no minor, no major, like nothing like that. So anything can be. even psychiatry might be in next paper, next coming
Yes.
exam might be like 10 questions or 15 questions might be there. Like who knows? Like equal importance only. I say
Yes,
like that.
yes.
If I want to say something to juniors, I will say this only.
Nice. Okay, see now these days actually all 90 subjects are very, very important. You cannot skip any single
Yeah,
subject.
yeah, sir.
The
Yeah,
days are gone when people were relying on hardly 10 subjects or 12 subjects. Okay, but
yeah,
now,
sir.
okay, they should be they should be well versed in all 19 subjects, right?
Yeah, sir. Definitely.
And what about the faculties here? They helped you a lot?
Sir, I'm missing them badly, sir. Really.
Acha.
So I like them so much. Really, I'm not going to like particularly mention them because everyone
Yes,
in
yes.
Arise, like they taught us a lot. They not only they taught about this subjects and everything, sir. Apart from that, the total concept of life, like it was like that only for me. They taught many things which is most important in our life and all. Like I can't mention everyone, but still I'm missing them. Really, I like them a lot. Each and every faculty did their best in the Arise. Like that's what I felt. I'm waiting for the day.
Guys, hopefully, like if there will not be lockdown, then we may celebrate our felicitation ceremony here. Okay.
Sure,
And
sure.
at that time, like, yeah, of course, everyone will be invited. And there are like students will be there, all medicos of this time and last time also. And most of the faculties will also be there. So yes, we are going to make
Eagerly waiting to
yes,
see
yes,
them.
yes, yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Now you tell me one thing. See, one thing like you have been preparing here for last 6 months, right? And you come across many people. So like, was there anyone like in your group mates or like in your batch mates here, like who inspired you a lot?
Definitely, sir. Definitely. I have certain people. I need to mention them here.
Mhm,
And first of all, my friend Asif,
mhm.
he's like topmost important for me. I
Nice,
like
nice.
he's so inspirational for me. The like he taught me about the hard works, like how to work smartly, how to do everything.
Very
He's
nice.
like he's like everything for me. And Anushaka, I definitely wanted to mention here. Her situation is totally like different, sir. Like she went through her hardest days, like which we never would have gone through that. Like she went through those days and she came to the Arise. Even in that situation, she can do that much. Like she got 201, sir.
Mhm.
Like definitely I need to say about her. Like it is so like inspirational for me, and definitely the people who watching this video also watch her video, which will be like more inspirational for you girls also. That's what I wanted to say. If I wanted to know like how to prepare this subject, they might say like how to do that. They might do in a different way, which will be like I would have get that, and I did that in that way, so it might be successful for me. So friends are most important. That's what I wanted to say in this tough journey. And when my parents are not there and my like the important ones are not there with me, friends only was there with me in the tougher situation when I was
True, very
feeling
true.
low. They only was beside me and they lifted me. Definitely they are
Very true.
so important.
Yes,
So
yes,
yes, sir,
yes.
really.
Well, that's great to know. Yeah, very good.
Yeah.
Because don't forget them ever.
No, sir, definitely I won't. Definitely.
Yes, 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 yes. Yes, the most important people during your hard time, right?
Yeah, sir.
What is the message you want to give to your juniors or the people who are going to write exam in like in June?
Sure, sir. Sir, actually, for me, I felt in this exam was like my first paper. My first paper was like best than the second paper,
Okay.
because like understanding the first paper basic concepts is much more important. I feel like that. I feel like patho, pharma, physio, and anat and everything. These subjects are very more important. I wanted to say them to understand the concepts.
Yeah, only
We were
mugging
like,
up will not help, right?
yeah, that's what mugging. We should not do that, sir. We should not do that. Each and every concept has a meaning, right? So that if we tend to know that meaning, we definitely not going to forget in the
Yeah.
future.
Mhm.
That's what I was like doing. Each and every concept we were like studying in a like in a jolly manner. Pharmacology was my best, that I wanted to say, and that pushed me a lot in the total 19 subject. It is not only coming in the respective that subject. It is even coming in the medicine, even coming in every subject. So I wanted to say them that understand the first paper concepts a lot. That is far more important. Far more important. It will make you to travel all the second paper subjects easily. I guess like I feel like that those important subjects makes you to travel those all the medicine, surgery, everything easily. I wanted them to understand the concepts. The concepts are very important. Next exam also might be like everything will be in clinical manner only. They wanted if they are so strong in the concept, definitely they're going to crack the exam. That's what I want.
Yes. Okay, so basically, see, there's 6 non-clinical subjects like anatomy, physiology, biochemistry, path, microbiology, and pharmacology. These are the most important subjects. Okay, these are like I would say these are the building blocks. These are the base actually, right? So like with the help of like these subjects, you can clinically integrate some other subject. You can understand medicine well, you can understand surgery well, you can okay, like with the help of anatomy, you can solve like
surgery
question, ortho question, surgery question.
Yeah.
And like basically what you want to say that whenever you are learning anatomy or physiology, whatever non-clinical subjects, they should also be focusing that what kind of clinical integration can be made here, can be asked here.
Sir. If, for example, in anatomy also, like certain concepts having the clinical correlation also. Like in each and every subject of the building blocks, what you said, each and everything will be having that clinical correlation. Definitely they need to know. At that point when they are studying that, they need to think about that also. Sir, that's what you're saying, right?
Yeah, so what we have done CCDs here, right? We have done clinical care questions.
Yeah, your clinical case, definitely I'm not going to forget that, sir. Like the pharma clinical cases also you gave, the way you frame the questions and giving the understanding how to face the clinical thing, how to choose the options, like what you CCD, what and all you have given, and what the other faculties also given is so important for us. Yeah, sir.
Okay, chalo, theek hai. So that's overall, this was a great conversation with you, Dr. Feroz Ahmed.
Thank you, sir.
I wish you all the best wherever you are, wherever you will be, keep shining. Okay, like you are full of energy. Okay, young man, right? Dr. Feroz Ahmed now. Okay. Okay, then all the best.
Yeah.
All the best. All the best. Thank you so much for joining me.
Sir.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.